We're going to take a trip to Hungary. COVID restrictions be damned. So I thought it would be fun. Nope. Hold that. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And, I thought it would be fun to buy a wine that I've never heard of, and I'm sure you've never heard of, a grape, and, taste it, see what we get. So we are going to Hungary. We are tasting a Keknyelu. It's from the basalt, Lake Balaton. All right, this is the Valibor Keknyelu from Lake Balaton. Let's hope the rest of the video goes smoother than that craziness that we just experienced. So, I've had a bunch of white wines from Hungary, and you can tell by the shape of the bottle that this is a white wine. And, I really enjoy the Furmint based wines, as well as wines that are made from the Harslevelu grape. These are a lot of tongue twisters here, kind of like Greece, where it's hard to pronounce, hard to really get familiar with these wines. But I bought this through a build a case program at Som Select, and they were waxing poetic about it. So I decided, all right, we'll give it a try. So this is you can kind of tell it's sort of a golden wine, at least this one. These, I'm not sure really what to expect other than to maybe think it's going to be sort of Riesling-like or something that's, maybe like something you get from Alsace. So let's see what we get here. It's actually pretty. There's a fair amount of peaches in here. You can tell this is going to have some minerality. Pretty. Sorry, my heat just kicked on. I always forget to do that, to just turn it off. So let's get back into this. So very peachy, some minerality. It's pretty. There's almost a floral note to it. I get a touch of smoke also. This is actually a really nice wine. So I think, what I want to leave you with, the lesson today, is just because you can't pronounce the grape, the region, or really any of, and all of the stuff on the label is unfamiliar to you, doesn't mean you can't have a really cool wine experience. So I don't know if I agree that this Keknyelu tastes like frosted basalt rocks, but I know it's pretty delicious. So if I see a wine from Hungary that has that Lake Balaton label on it, I'm going back for more. Huh. So I just took another sip of this wine. This is the Keknyelu. And what was weird is I got a real coconut note. So I think I'm going to adjust the tasting notes in this video to peaches, minerality, and coconut. Maybe a little copper tone. Yeah, copper tone. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Good way to start the year. I'll see you next time. Cheers.